Stars Learning TV. Hi kids, come on, let's write and learn the amazing alphabets with me. So let's get started. A. Now write the lowercase b. A, B. Let's try writing the lowercase c. Now write the lowercase d. E, F. Now it's time to write the lowercase g. Try writing lowercase h. Now write the lowercase I. J, K. It's time to write the lowercase m. Let's move on to the lowercase m. Now write the lowercase n. O, P. Now it's time for the lowercase q. Try your best to write the lowercase r. Let's write the lowercase s. T, U. Let's write the lowercase v. Now write the lowercase w. Try writing the lowercase x, y, z. Now write the missing lowercase alphabets with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now complete the word by putting the magical alphabets. S, U, N, sun. C, A, T, cat. Pig. P, I, G, pig. P, O, T, pot. R, U, G, rug. Pen. E, P, E, N, pen. H, A, T, hat. B, E, D, bat. Big. B, I, B, big. C, U, P, cup. Color these amazing alphabets with me. Let's color the small a. A is amazing. Let's color the small b. B is beautiful. Let's color the small c. Let's color the small d. Let's color the small e. Let's color the small f. Let's color the small g. Let's color the small h. Let's color the small I. Let's color the small j. Let's color the small k. Let's color the small f. Let's color the small m. Let's color the small n. Let's color the small o. Let's color the small p. Let's color the small q. Let's color the small r. Let's color the small s. Let's color the small t. Let's color the small u. Let's color the small v. Let's color the small w. Let's color the small x. Let's color the small y. Let's color the small z. Now let's write the uppercase alphabets with me. A, B, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's write the missing uppercase alphabets in these cute apples. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's color the amazing magical alphabets with me. Let's color the A. A is for apple. Let's color the B. B is for ball. Let's color the C. C is for cat. Let's color the D. D is for dog. Let's color the E. E is for egg. Let's color the F. F is for fish. Let's color the G. G is for grapes. Let's color the H. H is for hat. Let's color the I. I is for ice cream. Let's color the J. J is for jellyfish. Let's color the K. K is for kite. Let's color the L. L is for leaf. Let's color the M. M is for moon. Let's color the N. N is for nail. Let's color the O. O is for orange. Let's color the P. P is for pig. Let's color the Q. Q is for queen. Let's color the R. R is for rabbit. Let's color the S. S is for sun. Let's color the T. T is for tree. Let's color the U. U is for umbrella. Let's color the V. V is for violin. Let's color the W. W is for wing. Let's color the X. X is for xylophone. Let's color the Y. Y is for yarn. Let's color the Z. Z is for zebra. Well done, kids. Good job.
Great job, kids. Do learn ABCs with all these amazing words. Keep practicing and singing along. See you next time.